Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. Getting ready to do a 3-box break of 2021 Panini Contenders football. This is 3-box break number 1 from eBay. It is Saturday, March the 12th. Here are our 3 boxes that we're going to break. So, thanks everybody for getting in the break. As always, if you would like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case, one touch for any of your hits, you can get that at PWWcards.com. That's PWWcards.com. We will be at the Chicago Sports Spectacular next weekend, so if you're coming in for that, stop by our tables and say hey. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open up the packs, and then we'll just go through the cards that way. So, remember we used to do this by the case. You had to open up so many packs. We used to have one person opening packs and another person going through the cards back in 2014, 2015. Of course, you could get a case for so much cheaper. Remember when Jimmy G, his card went crazy for some reason and didn't really do anything. Pastor Bedtime. Sorry, G-Man. It will be recorded, so I think, yeah, who knows. I could try to explain a bunch of different ways, but screwed up. It will happen, though. Box number 1's finally open. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck. Bosa, Hill, Hurst, Cousins, Mayfield. Rookie of the Year contender, Nico Collins. Hurts, Jones, Gronk. Spinning around, pinwheel. Allen Robinson, Kenny Golladay. Then look at that. How about a supernatural Pat Mahomes? Kind of an interesting card there. Nice insert. Swift, Kittle, Mahomes, Ridley. And then there's our first rookie ticket auto. On-card auto. Kenneth Gainwell going out to the Philadelphia Eagles. Eagles is going to be Jay. Congrats. Then we got a little Bateman action there. Jefferson, Mixon, Crowder, Adams, Jacobs. There's a Chain Movers, Ezekiel Elliott, Mooney, Barkley, Goff, Garoppolo, and Chenault. Yep, break 1 of football. That's what this is. Origins break 1 is up after this. MVP contenders, Justin Herbert, or Air Bear, depending on Chubb, Cox, Brooks, Jones, 400 points. MVP contenders, Aaron Donald, Bosa, Diggs, Rodgers, Brady, Kelsey. Gladiators, Andrew Whitworth on the Rams. That's cool. Jackson, Cook, Garrett, Sanders, Jair Alexander. Warren Moon, legendary contenders. That's cool. Insert there. Godwin, Kelly, Davis, Hawkinson, and then we got a Brevin Jordan rookie ticket auto going out to the Houston Texans. Houston is Rich M. Rich, congrats. That's coming your way. And then a Clinton Portis power players. Look at that. He was a stud, especially in fantasy for a while. Allen, Myers, Elliott, Schuster, Smith-Schuster, Johnson, David Montgomery power players for the Bears. Henry, Kupp, Darnold, Thomas, Cooper, There's a Trask, Marshall, Herbert, Andrews, Aguilar, Prescott. And then we have an auto for the Colts. It's an Ashton Dulin. Indianapolis is going to be Jason F. Jason, congrats. That is Mark Brunell. Little throwback action. Roethlisberger, Cobb, Brown, Stafford, and Tre'Davious White. Rookie of the Year contender, it is Rondale Moore, Damian Harris, Mike Evans, Tyrann Mathieu, Brown, Thielen. There is a Chain Movers, Marshall Faulk, Carr, McCaffrey, Hill, Judy, and then we have a Nick Chubb season ticket numbered to 199 going out to the Cleveland Browns. Cleveland is going to be Ray P. Ray, congrats on that numbered insert, followed by Gladiators, Dalvin Cook for the Vikings, Metcalf, Chark, Hopkins, Tua, Claypool, Rookie of the Year contender, Javonte Williams, Wentz, McLaurin, Donald, Moore, Kamara, and then a Chain Movers, Russell Wilson. Also an address movers, right? Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kyler Murray, and then we have a Davion Nixon going out to the Panthers. Carolina is Roberto A. Roberto, congrats. Finish off with a Ray Lewis Legendary Contenders. And that does it for box number 1. On to box number 2. 5 autos, or in that case, 4 autos and points. 400 points, though, that's usually a lot for them. Means it's probably somebody, I would assume that would have been somebody recognizable for 400. Maybe not the best ever, but kind of wonder who that was replacing. Move the points over here. How about that? Move this over here. What that is, that looks kind of cool though. At least from the back. Let's hope we'll get some nice cracked ice. Alex will be here with us tomorrow, breaking another 3 boxes of Contenders out of the same case. So if you don't get your guy tomorrow, check the 3 boxes tomorrow. Or if you don't get your guy tonight, you can try again tomorrow. All right, box number 2. Let's go. Goff, Garoppolo, Chenault, Ryan, Gesicki. There's a Etienne, Najee Harris, Smith-Schuster, Henry, Johnson, Cup. There's a Nick Bosa Power Players. That one is actually numbered to 99. Numbered to 99 for San Francisco and Stephen F. Gladiators, Jason Witten, Donald, Thomas, Cooper, Darnold, Herbert, Andrews, Rookie of the Year contender, Michael Carter, followed by Aguilar, Prescott, Roethlisberger, Cobb, A.J. Brown, Rob Gronkowski Power Players, Stafford, White, Harris, Evans. And then an auto is a Hamza Nazarildine. That's the best I got. Going out to the Jets, New York. That is going to be Adrian M. Adrian, congrats. Then we got the round numbers, Kyle Pitts, Jamar Chase. Cousins, Mayfield, Hurts, Jones, another points. Another 400 points. So we got another 400 point thing coming out. Rookie of the Year contender, Kadarius Toney, Gronk, Robinson, Galladay, Swift, Kittle, Gladiators, Sean Merriman, Mahomes, Ridley, Jefferson, Mixon, Crowder, MVP contenders, Dak, Devontae, Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, I cannot get his name right, Saquon, and then for the Saints, how about a Peyton Turner rookie ticket auto going out to New Orleans and Derek D. Derek, congrats, that's coming your way. Chain movers, DeAndre Hopkins. Higgins, May, Chase Young, Ruggs, Mac, Michael Strahan, power players, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, and then look at that. How about a rookie auto of Ian Book on card going out to the Saints? New Orleans is Derek D. Derek, congrats to you. Back-to-back autos. Rookie of the Year contender, Najee Harris, J.J. Watt, Parker, Burrow, Hilton, Gibson, playoff ticket of Marcus Allen for the Raiders, Derek Carr, McCaffrey, Hill, Judy, Metcalf, MVP contender, Josh Allen. Matthew, Brown, Thielen, Chubb, Cox. There's a supernatural of Zach Wilson. Zach Wilson, Zach Attack. Zach Wilson for the Jets. Cooks, Jones, Bosa, Diggs, Rodgers, MVP contender Joe Burrow, Brady, Kelsey, Jackson, Cook, and then how about a Sean Wade auto going out to the Patriots? New England is Patrick C. Patrick, congratulations on that Sean Wade auto. Followed by Chain Movers, Christian McCaffrey. Garrett, Sanders, Alexander, Godwin, Allen, winning ticket, Aaron Rodgers. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's like a, I don't know, pretty neat card there for Green Bay. Davis, Hawkinson, Bosa, Hill, Hurst, and Larry Johnson, power players for KC. All right, moving on into box number 3. Hopefully we get no points this time. Hopefully by next year there's no more points at all. I think we've been praying for that miracle forever. All right, empty box. Nope, there's more points. Does every box have points? I haven't watched enough breaks apparently, because it seems like so far, so good. Ugh, that's frustrating. We want autos, we want cracked ice autos, we want 101 autos. Not points to get a Bishop Sankey auto. last box. Good luck to everybody again. Thanks for getting in the break. If you want shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one-touch, get that at pwwcards.com. That is pwwcards.com. Appreciate everyone's patience waiting for Origins as well. All right, here we go. Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Tyler Lockett. And then how about a Jalen Hurts MVP Contenders numbered to 99. 81 out of 99 going out to the Eagles. Philadelphia is Jay. Congratulations, Jay. Playoff ticket, Tom Brady, Tampa Tom. Robinson, Miller, Watt, Parker, Burrow. MVP contender of Jalen Hurts. Hilton, Gibson, Carr, McCaffrey, Hill. Chain movers, LT, LaDainian Tomlinson, Jerry Jeudy, Metcalf, Chark, Hopkins, and then we have a Keith Taylor rookie ticket auto going out to the Panthers. I gotta get a new, open up a new thing, new set of, new package of sleeves here. All right, Keith Taylor. Carolina is Roberto. Legendary contenders, Antonio Gates. Tua, Claypool, Wentz, McLaurin, Donald. Gladiators, Cam Chancellor. Moore, Kamara, Locke, Wilson, Taylor. Rookie of the Year, Kenneth Gainwell. Murray, Allen, Myers, Elliott, and then we have a Grant Stewart, Grant Stewart, rookie ticket auto going out to Tampa Bay, and Patrick C. Patrick, congrats. Power players, Eddie George, Smith-Schuster, David, Henry, Cup, Darnold, then a round numbers, Etienne and Lawrence, Thomas, Cooper, Herbert, Andrews, Aguilar, and then a Supernatural, Trey Lance. Trey Lance, Supernatural for the 49ers. Nice insert. Prescott, Roethlisberger, Cobb. Ooh, did it almost again. All right, we got it. A.J. Brown and then another 400 points. Random that off at the end. MVP contenders, Baker Mayfield. Stafford, White, Harris, Evans, Matthew, chain movers, Dalvin Cook, Brown, Thielen, Chubb, Cox, Brooks. And another one of these winning tickets. This is the Buffalo Bills, Josh Allen. Congrats to the Bills. Jones, Bosa, Diggs, Rodgers, and then a Cowboys auto of Simi Fehoko. Going out to Dallas and Ryan O. Ryan, congrats. It's coming to you. Mike Vrabel, power players for the Patriots. All right, last little stack here. Brady, Kelsey, Jackson, Cook, Garrett. Rookie of the Year contender, Jalen Waddle. Sanders, Alexander, Godwin, Allen. There's a Corey Davis season ticket. Gladiators, Tom Brady. Why did I think that was Joe Burrow? Tom Brady, Gladiators, man in the arena. Right? Hawkinson, Bosa, Hill, Hurst. And then we have a Kellen Mond. Kellen Mond, quarterback, rookie ticket auto going out to the Minnesota Vikings. And Matt P. Matt, congratulations. Kellen Mond, that's coming to you. Then we have Stafford MVP contenders. Cousins, Mayfield, Hurts, Jones, Gronkowski, chain movers, Allen Robinson base, Golladay, Swift, Kittle, Mahomes, and then a Justin Fields and Mac Jones round numbers. So that does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much for getting the break. Let's go ahead and we got a few randoms to do, so let's go ahead and get that set up. First thing we're going to do is a random for the points. So we have four, if I can count, 3 400 points cards. Let me get our randomizer up and going here. Okay, where are we at here? Random that over to me. Alright, first thing we're going to do is roll the dice to see how many times they're going to run the randomizer. The only thing we don't take here is snake eyes. Let's see what we got. 8 times on the randomizer. 8 times. So let's go ahead and dump all the spots into this list. Copy and paste. So we got Washington all the way up to Arizona. We'll run this 8 times, and then the top 3 teams will get 400 points. Top 3 teams will get the 3 cards. So good luck. It was 8, right? Let me click back. Yep, 8. Second guess myself there. 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good luck, top 3 teams. Here we go. Alright, it is the Houston Texans, Seattle Seahawks, and the Chicago Bears. They are all now proud owners of 400 points apiece for our 400 point cards. So there's that. The other thing we're going to do is go ahead and randomize for those cards that had 2 players on them, since there's a bunch of those round numbers, the round numbers. So what we'll do is we'll do, since there's only 2, we'll do top, bottom, top, bottom. And we'll do this 8 times, and then that's how I'll go for all those round number inserts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So going to the top ones on the round numbers. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much. Have a good night. Peace.